Late last week, over the weekend, and even through today, we have enjoyed some very nice weather here in western Michigan. It's been mild during the day and kind of cool at night. How much longer is that going to last? Well, one hint, 13 weather ball is green, so no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Look at the sun. Sunsets along the lakeshore. Grand Haven looking great. Fremont as well. Muskegon all the way around. Just a beautiful day. Even here in Grand Rapids, some high clouds coming in. Temperatures have cooled off from their highs in the upper 50s to around 60. You can see right now they are in the low and mid 50s. Some high clouds starting to come on in. So we'll become mostly cloudy later on tonight. No precipitation anywhere in the Midwest. This is a dry system that is just bringing some high clouds to the area, and that's going to be the case through tomorrow and likely Thursday as well. Temperatures right now, 50s, even some 60s and 70s, so another day with lots of sunshine will get us up well into the 50s to near 60 once again. Here are those high clouds coming through. Will become mostly cloudy tonight, but this is daybreak already. Sunshine throughout all of the day tomorrow, maybe another day close to 100%. Much like today. Southerly winds will continue for a couple of days. On Thursday, we'll look for more clouds to come in toward the end of the day, but another mild day despite the clouds, and a little bit of moisture gathering right along a cold front right in through here. It's just going to kind of blossom and push through late Thursday night, but it'll all be done on Friday morning, giving way to a dry but cooler weekend. Rainfall, we will not see any before late Thursday night. That will come through late after midnight, and it'll all be done by Friday morning. We're talking a quarter of an inch or less across the region. This is the long-range snowfall forecast that takes us all the way through the Friday after Thanksgiving. All the snow is going to stay away from the state of Michigan. Most of it will be out in the northern Rockies. Long-range outlook says we are going to cool off eventually, near to perhaps higher chances for cooler temperatures from the 20th through the 24th. You'll see that in the 10-day. And a little bit higher chance you'll see a little bit more in the way of precipitation. So increasing clouds overnight, not as cold as last night. Low 40s north, upper 30s south. Northern part of our viewing area, mid and upper 30s, about 10 degrees warmer than last night. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll drop down into the mid 30s as the clouds kind of filter in. 13 on your side forecast. All of the rain will be late Thursday night, so a dry day Wednesday and Thursday, and the rain will end Friday morning. The sun comes out late in the day. Dry but cool weekend, highs in the mid-50s. Next week, another round of some rain will be Monday night and Tuesday. Thanksgiving will be kind of cold with highs only in the upper 30s. But boy, Lauren, we have enjoyed some really nice weather here the last several days. From late last week through the weekend through today, it's been fantastic for November, and we've got another nice day coming up tomorrow. That's why the 13 weather ball is green. There is no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
A little cold to walk the dogs in the morning. Asher, you're going to have a little better morning tomorrow as temperatures will be in the low and mid 40s. We'll see some high clouds coming in. Tom, Irene, we're going to give you a green paw also for this evening's walk as temperatures are falling out of the 50s into the 40s. What a great November. Yeah, let's play ball, Asher. As far as our green energy forecast, almost as much sunshine here tomorrow because these are going to be high clouds around tomorrow. Won't diminish a lot of the sunshine, but not as much as the 9.7 today. We'll have 8.7 tomorrow. Winds are going to be up to 5.9 out of a 10-point scale. 2.1 million homes could be serviced by just the wind alone tomorrow. Hey, opening of firearm deer season tomorrow. Heading out to the woods tonight, you'll be in the mid 40s with sun up at 7:34. Lots of sunshine tomorrow. Not a typical opening day forecast. We'll hit the upper 50s to even low 60s with a bit of a breeze, but not real windy here tomorrow. We've got some high clouds coming in from the west. There is very little active weather across much of the nation right now. These high clouds will be with us tomorrow. We'll call it a mostly cloudy day. Got a cold front that'll be approaching on Friday. That's when our first chance of rain will come. But southerly winds continuing tonight, and then the clouds clear on out. Another sunny day coming up here tomorrow with temperatures as warm, if not warmer, than today. Southerly winds will continue. They'll increase out ahead of that cold front then on Thursday. Some water will be gathering right along that front, so the rain's going to break out. Late Thursday night, Friday morning, not going to be the greatest for hunting, but that rain moves out very quickly. Sun comes out by afternoon, so this is about a 12-hour period where there'll be some rain. So nothing between now and very late to Thursday night. So a couple of dry days to get those leaves up once again. We're looking at about a quarter of an inch of rain all the way through Friday morning, and then a dry weekend ahead. Long range outlook. This is the European model showing all the way through the Friday after Thanksgiving. No snow here pretty much in the state of Michigan as it remains on the dry side. Long range outlook though is for colder than average temperatures, higher the chances for that from the 22nd through the 28th, but higher chances we'll see less precipitation also during that 7-day period. Increasing clouds overnight. Upper sections of the lakeshore zone will be in the low 40s. Further south, right around 39 in South Haven and Holland. Mid and upper 30s north as skies will become mostly cloudy. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids zone. Overnight lows in the mid 30s. 13 on your side forecast. So the rain will happen overnight Thursday night. So a dry day Wednesday and Thursday will cool off into the 40s Friday as the rain departs. Cool weekend with highs in the mid 40s, but dry, and then another round of rain Monday night and next to Tuesday. Travel week should be great for Wednesday, Thanksgiving Day, and Friday, although it's going to be a little bit on the cold side, Lauren. I've enjoyed the weather, though, so far this past week.
I was going to say, it doesn't feel like Michigan. It feels like we're like down south or something.
I don't know where we are.
Thank you, George. Okay, let's go to weather where, George, I feel like you're probably everyone's favorite person right now because you're giving us the forecast we all really want during November.
Yeah, when the weather is great, yeah, when they love me. Yeah, when the weather is anything but great, yeah, we hear it, you know.
Yeah.
We've had a great stretch of weather from late last week through the weekend and even today. And is that going to stick around for a little while longer? Well, at least the 13 weather ball says yes. It is green, so that means no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today well above the average of 48 and well above last year's 39. We made 57 in Grand Rapids, 60 plus from Holland down through South Haven to Benton Harbor. We forecast 58 today. We're 6 days in a row within our target range. Lots of high clouds back to our west, but you notice there is little to any precipitation. So these high clouds will be thickening up overnight, but they're going to be moving out very quickly tomorrow. So another day where we'll be close to maybe 100% of the sunshine. You can see the clouds very thin to start the firearm deer season. We'll have just those high clouds and then they'll thin on out. Beautiful day, blue skies once again across the region. Clear skies overnight, Wednesday night into Thursday. Southerly winds are going to keep our temperatures up a little bit more on Thursday morning than tomorrow morning, and then those clouds will move on out later Thursday. We'll call it a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy day. When's the next chance of rain coming? That won't be until late Thursday night. That was between about 7 p.m. and now 7 a.m. Most of the rain coming after midnight. This is 7 a.m. on Friday. Look at how quickly the skies clear in the afternoon. So we've got a mostly dry afternoon and a dry but cooler weekend. Rainfall, all of this will be coming late Thursday night through Friday morning. This is Friday morning's rainfall, and maybe just a few tenths of an inch more. We'll end up with about a quarter of an inch by the time it's all said and done. And that's it. Thursday night, Friday morning, and then through the weekend. So looking at your Wednesday forecast, look at the sunshine, blue skies, mid and upper 50s north, 60 around Muskegon, Holland, and South Haven. So that's very similar to what you saw today. Northern zones, upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Winds will start to pick up a little bit in the afternoon. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, highs around 60 plus for another nice November day. 13 on your side forecast. So dry, sunny Wednesday. Dry, mostly cloudy Thursday. Rain will be overnight through Friday morning as we showed you. We'll cool off from the 60s into the 40s over the weekend. Next round of rain will come Monday night, so a dry day Monday as well. Rain though next Tuesday. This is Thanksgiving week now, so we're starting to see some colder temperatures, only in the upper 30s for Thanksgiving Day, but right now it is trending dry.